Here's a zero impact knee friendly cardio routine. We're gonna warm up by jogging in place. Your toes don't even have to leave the ground. Just pump those heels and work those calves. As always, the lower body portion is optional. Now tighten up those abs, engage that core, and give me some jabs. Remember, you still need to breathe. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Now we're gonna do some jump rope without the jumping, of course. Now arms moving as if you're jumping rope, but instead of jumping, you're just lifting those heels. Now picture yourself carrying a giant pumpkin and smashing it to the ground. I don't know why I'm thinking of that, it's the season, but lift up high and smash it to the ground. Your heels lift up too. Now we're gonna do some chicken arms. Spread your wings like a chicken. Now you can do 3 things with your feet, I'm demonstrating them here. You can extend forward, tap to the side, or just pump your heels like this. Whatever you're most comfortable with. Finally, we got the locomotive. You're literally gonna pretend you're a train. Lift your heels at the same time and try to keep your movements fluid. This is great for circulation.